The inspection report should be brief and precise and contains an answer to each of the points prescribed for the inspection. Full stop. In the end, comma, they should summarize a clear picture of the working of the particular sector of the organization on which the report is submitted. Full stop. They should simply enumerate the defects notified and give constructive suggestions for improvements. Full stop. The reports should particularly highlight such aspects which have an important bearing on efficiency and need special attention of senior officers. Full stop. After the inspection report has been seen and returned by the officer concerned, comma, it should be the duty of the inspecting officer to ensure that all corrective action is taken. Full stop. This process should not involve unnecessary noting. Full stop. As far as possible, comma, problems arising from inspections should be settled and resolved by discussion. Full stop. It will be desirable to file the inspection reports in a chronological order to facilitate the progressive evaluation of the results of inspection. Full stop. In every subsequent inspection, comma, the inspecting officer must first check up whether the defects pointed out in his earlier report have been rectified and propose strained disciplinary action against the delinquent official. In case where the same has not been done, full stop, during inspections, the inspecting officer may often discover procedural defects or other problems which cannot be solved readily without a detailed investigation. Full stop. Such problems should be referred to the Joint Secretary O&M, comma, Services and General Administration Department, comma, Government of West Pakistan, Lahore for advice. Full stop. This officer will also be going rounds to meet the heads of attached departments and of the divisional and district administrations to help ascertaining if the O&M unit of the provincial government should be employed on any particular assignment of which they may stand in need. Full stop. Section Officer Welfare 1 S&GAD submitted that Government of the Punjab is in process of making policy decision on the services of daily wagers working in government departments, all administrative departments, attached departments, autonomous bodies, projects and companies, etc. Full stop. He further requested to provide information of all daily wagers working in irrigation department on prescribed performa by 25/10/2000.